Okay, yes. So back to concentric. Concentric circles means a circle and a circle. This is like what that T4 is that I had y'all do yesterday. Sometimes it was a rectangle and a rectangle, or a square and a square. It's all the same. All you do is find the area of the big circle. Do you see the big circle? And then the big circle is this outside circle. And the little circle is on the inside. And you subtract. And that's it. The hardest part is figuring out, making sure you have the radiuses and the radius is correct. So look at example 1. Find the area of the shaded portion of the figure below. The radius of the whole figure is 10 inches. So the big circle radius is 10. The small circle radius is what? 4. So that means you find the area of the big one, area of the small one, and subtract. Area equals pi r squared. You can use 3 for pi. Area equals 3 times 10 squared. When you do this on IXL, you cannot use 3. They make you use 3.14. But in the essence of time, what's 10 squared?
100.
100. So the area of the big one is 300. Area equals, so then we're going to have 3 times 4 squared, right? What's 4 squared?
16.
And 3 times 16?
48.
You simply subtract. 300 minus 48.
I was making it a lot harder.
Well, and it is harder on IXL because you have to use 3.14. So it takes. I just use 3 here because it's just for time. In the essence of time, we use 3. Y'all good? We're gonna skip example 2. Go to the practice. What is the area of the green section? We're going to change this here. The inner circle, we're going to make it 2 feet. And the outer, we're going to make it 3. So let's do the big one first. The outer circle area equals pi r squared. What is the radius of the big circle? 3 squared. What is 3 squared?
9.
And 3 times 9? 27. The small one is going to be area equals 3 times 2 squared. 2 squared is 3 times 4. You subtract. Yes?
Yes.
Practice 2. This is a square is inscribed in a circle of radius 12 centimeters. Calculate the area of the shaded region shown in the figure. How do you think you do that? You find the area of the square, and then the area of the circle, and then you subtract. So the area of the square is base times height, right? What is the height of 15? So that says 18. So it's going to be 18 times 18, which is what, Cheyenne? No, 18 squared. Look at the wall. Yell it.
324.
That's the square. Now we got to do the circle. I'm going to use 3 for pi. What is the radius?
12.
Good. What's 12 squared?
150.
That's a 12, 13, 432. And then what do you do to find just the shaded? Subtract. We good? Okay, number 3. This one's gonna kind of be more. So making sure everybody is with me. Is everybody with me?
Yes.
Do that. Number 3. The diameter of a circular park is 100 meters. A 5-meter wide track runs around it. Calculate the cost of constructing that track at $8 per square meter. Do you see the small circle?
Yes.
Yes. What is the diameter? What is it? What is the radius? 50. Let's find the area of the small first. Use 3 for pi. What is 50 squared?
2,500.
And so that equals,
7,500.
perfect. Now, do you see the large circle? What is the radius of the large circle? No. Do you hear that I'm telling you it's the large circle? Doesn't it stand to reason that the radius would be larger than the small circle? What is it? What is the radius? 55. So look, everybody look at the board. Everybody look. So from here to here is 50, plus here is 5. Are you with me? From here to here is 50, plus this is 5. So it's going to be 3 times 55 squared, and I'll do that one for you, because it's not above Cheyenne. 3025. So 3 times 3025. And that's going to be 9,075. Now you have to do what? Subtract. And what'd you get?
1,575.
Perfect. Is that the answer?
No.
No, because what do you have to do? You multiply or divide?
Multiply. Divide.
You multiply or divide?
Divide.
How do you know you divide?
Because it says per square.
Per square meter, good. So you would divide that by 8. By the way, if you didn't know that, you could have written a proportion. And you get 1, what? Nine. Eight. No.
9.
7. No. 6. 6. Hang on. And that leaves you with 13? No. 7?
Yes.
So we'll say about $196 per square foot. Yes?
Yes.
Let me decide what I want you to do. Just go to the you do section. But I want to look at number 1 and 2 real quick with you. So number 1, they give you the diameter of the large circle. Do you see it?
Yes.
How do you find the diameter of the small circle?
You just subtract 18.
You don't add 18, you subtract 18. And then here they give you the radius of the small circle. How do you find the big one? Okay, good. I just want to make sure you guys are seeing that. I don't want that to sneak up on you and you miss it. Y'all do the you do. If you need help, I'll be in here during class tomorrow. Is there only 5 questions? This isn't really that big of a deal, I don't think.
No.